Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bio-Dex Zeo Filter Cleaner. What is Bio-Dex Zeo Filter Cleaner? The Bio-Dex Zeo Filter Cleaner for Zeobrite and Sand Filters powerfully removes oils, minerals, and damaging scale from your pool's filter. Product benefits. It may be used to cleaning sand, DE, and other filtration media. Removes oil, minerals, and scale from the filter. Easy-to-use liquid. Non-flammable, non-carcinogenic, non-corrosive. Usage directions. Up to a 24-inch diameter filter. Mix 1 quart of Zeo Filter Cleaner with 5 gallons of water. 30 inches to 36 inches diameter filter. Mix 2 quarts for Zeo Filter Cleaner with 5 gallons of water. Step 1. Backwash the filter. Step 2. Shut off pump. Step 3. Put the multiport valve in the closed position until ready to be backwashed. Step 4. Remove filter top. Step 5. Drain the filter. Step 6. Pour the pre-mixed solution into the filter and add a sufficient amount of water to cover the media. Step 7. Replace the filter top. Step 8. Soak 4 to 12 hours. Longer soaking results in better cleaning. For pools with high mineral content, scale, or oil buildup, soak overnight and backwash the next day. After soaking recommended amount of time, move the valve to the backwash position and backwash until the water coming through the line is clear. Step 9. Start the pump, fill the filter with clean water, and resume normal filtration. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.